So let's see what all we need for this. What we have taken, the lotus stem, I've just cut them in long, boiled them, given 3 whistles. They are neither too soggy nor too. A little bit crunch should be there. Now what all we need is the red chili powder. I'll be using black salt. Then you have ginger garlic chili paste. Then you have gram flour, half a cup, and 1 spoon of rice flour. We'll be using tandoori chicken masala and dry mango. So before we start, what we'll be doing is, I'll just boil it. Now I'll sprinkle water, just a quarter glass. Just sprinkle so that all these things get stuck nicely covered, nice coating is there. So I'll be sprinkling water first, then I'll be adding all these things. So let's see what all we need for gravy. We are using brown onions. I've just done the brown onions, grinded into fine paste, and of course the lotus stem which I have fried, then red chilies, cumin seeds, ginger, garlic and chili paste. Then you have turmeric, then you have green chilies, tomatoes, two medium-sized tomatoes. Then you have the spices here like black cardamom and star anise. Then you have this bay leaf from my garden. So let's move. So I have taken a pan and I have put 4 to 5 spoons of oil, or 1 ladle you can say. Then we will be adding, first we'll be adding this black cardamom. The oil is hot, it will release the flavors. So now you can add 1 spoon of cumin seeds, a big spoon of cumin seeds. Add ginger, garlic and chili paste to it. Stir them well till the garlic smell is, can't smell the garlic, pungent smell. It should be roasted nicely. After this we will add bay leaf. Now we will add bay leaves into this. I have a very beautiful small tree at my place. They're so fresh and green. And now I'll be adding green chilies. 4 green chilies cut into half. Just add them at this stage because in the earlier stages they might lose the color, of the green color. So now what I'll be doing is I'll be adding my brown onion paste to it. So we'll cook it for some time. It's very easy when you have brown onion paste ready at your place. It's very quick, very simple, very easy. So now I'll be adding a 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, and chilies are of course up to your taste. I'll be adding 1 big spoon, and salt to taste. I'm using the black salt, pink salt here, so it will give you a nice flavor. When you have the brown onion paste, the curry tastes yummy. So you can keep your brown onion paste ready and you can cook anything. So now what we'll be doing, adding the tomatoes to it. You're not going to cook. You just mix them. They will be cooked under the steam So now what I'll be doing, adding a small glass of water. Just see, so beautiful the gravy is. So now I'll be adding my lotus stem into this, the fried lotus stem into this. Just mix it and I'll be closing the lid. Mix it well. I'll be just adding one more glass of water, small glass, so 2 glasses of water into it, and I will be just closing the lid. Just close the lid and wait for some time. So let's open the pan. Wow, such a beautiful color. Let's taste before we serve. So the gravy is semi-thick gravy. Let's taste. One must try with brown onions. The gravy itself is yummy. So let's do the plating. So my dish is ready. I'm going to serve in the same pot. So it's too yummy. The food is, you can make it and enjoy. Try this recipe. It's totally yummy. One must definitely try. It's really, really yummy. And if you like it, please do subscribe. My name is Rajni Sharma Madan and many more to come. So it's too hot and I'll be closing the lid and ready to serve on the table. So if you like it, please do share with your friends. Make it at home. Make for parties. It's yummy, total yummy. Thank you.